These are some of the benefits you're going to get if at all you boost from the free version to the boost version. The first option is that you will be able to boost to modify your title, video title, to AI suggested title. This will help you get more exposure and so on. So if I get show me recommendations, you'll see why I joined YouTube, my story, my YouTube beginner story. Well, that could be make people to watch your video, okay? And you go through all these, you can see some of the recommendations here, but the major fact, or the major, or the one of the best features which I like about the boost version is this part where you have to put the tags, because most beginners on YouTube have problems when it comes to tagging. Okay, so when it comes to tagging, people tend to have hard time on what to put, what to write there, such that they can get views and things like that. Okay, so but if you have this offer, if you have this version of VidIQ, or if you boost your account to VidIQ Boost, which is roughly $75, or sorry, it's $49 for each single channel and $79 for 3 channels. You'll get such offers whereby you'll be able to just click one single button, just pressing this button over here, you see it, and you'll get amazing suggestions for your video. Okay, just give it some time. It can take some time to bring out the suggestions. Hope you can see over 250 suggestions. You can see the suggestions over here. With the recommendations, their rankings onto YouTube, how VidIQ ranks them, and the only thing you need to do is to choose what you feel like matches with your title or matches with what your video is about. But I would prefer if you choose tags having a higher score compared to and you leave those ones having a lower score. As well, you should only choose tags related to your channel than selecting tags like this one, which is suggesting other channels. Okay, as well, there are many other offers, like you can pick tags from other channels. These are one of the things I used to do when I just began YouTube. I used to get tags from other channels by using some VidIQ, because I've used it for a very long time. So these are the benefits, and many more benefits you will get if I told you stick watching to this video. And without wasting time, let's get started.
3, 2, 1, here we go.
Hey there, my name is Scott from www.scottug.com. In this video, I'm going to give you a free coupon worth $79 for you to use on your channel and boost it to another level. Okay, here's how you're going to use this coupon. All you need to do is to download this extension here. Let me show you. It's called VidIQ. If I told you're new to this extension, it's just called VidIQ. If you're using Chrome, you just need to go to extensions. I've rushed. You just come to here, and then you select more, and then you come to extensions. Then from extensions, all you need to do is to go to open Chrome Store, and then what you need to do is to type in VidIQ. Okay, you press enter, and you'll see this, and all you need to do is to click add. For you, it will be if you don't have it, you'll be seeing add, but since I already have it, that's why you're seeing remove. Okay, you're seeing that. That's why you're seeing remove. Okay, so after you adding that, you come back to your channel, you refresh, and then you sign in. You create an account with VidIQ. Okay, let me come over here to VidIQ. Then after you creating your account, all you need to do is to come over here to your dashboard, and I select anywhere, but I'll prefer if you can select SEO tags boost. It will take you to the page which I would like you to go to, and then this is where you come to the pricing. Okay, so from here, the coupon I'm going to give you is valid for this boost version, which is $49 for one single channel, but you can go for the 3 channels. If I told you have many channels, this can help you for the single month of the promotion. And if I told it helps you out, you're free to again upgrade your account to this or this. As well, you can go for the pro version, which is only $10 as well. You can also come back and just consider on one channel, which is $49. Okay, and this is a very good tool for you guys. This is a very good tool for you guys if I told you want to get more views, if I told you want your channel to be relevant. This tool can limit you from adding things which can cause trouble between you and YouTube. Like you realize that many people upload videos and they don't get monetized, or they get demonetized because of some keywords. And this tool, the good thing, this tool can help you eliminate such things from your videos, and you have more videos getting monetized than having lower videos, like having 100 videos which are not monetized. So if you have that problem in quotes where you have many videos but few are monetized, so you need to get this promotion, all you need to do is to just come here and then select boost. Okay, and after you selecting boost, what you need to do is to come over here, say I have a promo code, and after entering that, all you need to do is to click here and enter the promo code which I'm going to give you. Okay, so I've already put the promo code in this video, and if you've been skipping some parts of this video, well, you're going to miss out. So what you need to do is to rewatch this video, and you're going to see the promo code somewhere up on the screen. Okay, so let me enter the promo code. Okay, enter the promo code, and then after that you enter your credit card. Remember, they're not going to chop any single coin from you. Okay, you enter your CVV, your CVC, and then you click subscribe. The account is going to be upgraded there and then without paying any single coin. And then after that you just come back to your channel like this one. Hope you're seeing this. This is my channel, and then this is the main channel which you guys know most. Or you just come back, let me say if this is your channel, you just come back and refresh. After refreshing, you'll be provided with the premium offers given to you by this plugin. Okay, as well, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This is a channel named Inspired Philo. Feel free to subscribe to this channel. Just search out Inspired Philo for those who prefer lifestyle videos, and well, just check it out. Boom, you'll be getting amazing content. Okay, if I've missed out anything in this video, don't forget to leave me a comment in the description. If you are told you'll have any query about any tool you want, just give comment in the comment box. I'll be giving you the updates, or I'll be updating you or replying to you as soon as I can. And with that, our main strategy, we meet another video. God bless you.